MrsHappyHomemaker.com here, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite stuffing. Well, I guess technically it's a dressing since I don't stuff it inside the bird, but it's so delicious and it's super easy too. Let me show you how to put it together. I'm going to start off with cooking up a pound of breakfast sausage. To this pan, I'm also going to add 1 large onion that I've chopped and 2 stalks of celery that I've also diced up. When picking out celery, look for the celery that's nice and leafy. That's got more flavor. Stir that in. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm going to continue to cook this until my sausage is done and the onions are translucent. Now that the sausage and the onion mixture is done, I'm going to add in the shortcut, which is a 12-ounce package of the herb seasoned stuffing mix. I use the Pepperidge Farm blend. I have made my own stuffing with homemade cornbread, with homemade sourdough bread. I have gone all sorts of fancy for stuffing before, but this is still my favorite stuffing of all time, even though it kind of cheats a little bit. So I'm going to add in my 1 bag. Now I'm going to add in 2.5 cups of chicken broth. I use the low sodium. And I mix that together. If you like your stuffing super wet, then I would add 3 cups of chicken broth. But for me, the 2.5 cups is perfect. Now, I could just cook this inside my cast iron skillet, but the cast iron heats up so well that it makes the stuffing a little bit crunchy, which I don't really like. So I'm going to transfer my stuffing into this casserole dish here. And you would want to use a 3-quart casserole dish. Now, if you want to be extra decadent, you can add a few pats of butter along top of it and cook it that way. I personally don't think it needs it, but it does add a little extra something to it. Makes it a little bit more rich. Now, I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. And I'm going to bake this in my oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. If you like this recipe, then check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com. You can also find my other food videos on YouTube and on Facebook underneath Mrs. Happy Homemaker. And you can follow me on Instagram and Pinterest, Mrs. Happy Homemaker, and That Housewife on Twitter, because Mrs. Happy Homemaker, well, it just wouldn't fit. Bye, y'all.